Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the network error in Call of Duty Mobile. Let's get into it. First, check your internet connection. The first step is to make sure your phone is actually connected to the internet. Sometimes even a weak signal can cause network error. Look at the top of your phone screen to see your Wi-Fi or data bars. Try turning your Wi-Fi off and back on again, or switch to your mobile data to see if that works better. Next, restart the game app. You want to give the game a fresh start. If the app has been open too long, it might show an error. Close the app, wait a few seconds, and then tap the game icon to open it again. Closing the app forces it to try and connect from the very beginning. This simple reset can fix many of the errors without you having to change any settings. Now, make sure you are using the newest version of the game so you have all the newest fixes. Open your App Store, search for the game, and see if there is a button that says Update. If an update is available, download it and then open the game to verify that the error is gone. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.